In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to permanently delete your Betway account. Whether you're taking a break from betting or just looking to close your account for good, we've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Betway account. Open your web browser and go to the Betway website. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, head to the right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the drop down menu, select Account Settings or My Account. Now look for an option labeled Responsible Gambling or something similar. This is where you can manage your account and responsible gambling features. Within this section, you should find an option for self-exclusion or close account. Click on that link to proceed. You might be asked to confirm your decision by providing a reason for closing your account. Fill out any required details and click submit or confirm, and that's it. Your account closure request will be processed. You should receive a confirmation email from Betway regarding the status of your request. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder just in case.